Hi everyone, Anna Brandt here. Today we're going to talk about my lighting, specifically my umbrella. The question that I get almost every single day is, why does my umbrella face this way to the newborns when many newborn photographers, their umbrella faces the other way? So I'm going to answer the question. The question, first of all, is I use a shoot-through umbrella from ProPhoto. For shoot-through umbrellas, you shoot through the umbrella. That is the way that these lights are intended to be used. I love shooting through because to me it mimics window light. When I'm using window light, I always use a diffuser in front of the window. This is very much like a diffuser. It is just a much bigger one, and instead of a window, it's a light. So I like to have my work look the same whether I'm doing natural light or studio light. I don't want it to look too different. If you look at my Instagram or my website, you'll see that a lot of my images have a similar look and feel. Yet these images have been photographed all over the world. They've been inside and outside in my studio, as well as I've shot in over 30 countries. Yet I try to make sure that my work still looks very similar. And I believe that consistency is definitely the key to success. So with that being said, I'm going to show you the other side because it is white umbrella. This is a 64-inch umbrella from ProPhoto. My lights are on a tracking system. And so what's great about that is I can move the lights up or down. So it can go up, or I can bring them all the way down, which is especially great when I have a baby on the floor. Now, I have a diffuser cover. Also another question, why do I have a diffuser cover? Does it really do anything? I don't really know if it does anything, but for me, it makes me feel better because I put it on and just the light is just trapped in there and then it just shoots through. So for me, I like it. I like the security of having the cover. I feel like the light is just trapped in there and it comes out nice and soft. So the back, I would never shoot this way because the light is pointing the other way. However, other photographers shoot this way with this facing the baby, but they're using a different umbrella. They're using black with silver on the inside. And so what happens is, and then they have a white diffuser cover. What happens is the light is aiming towards the silver inside and bouncing back to the subject. So if you have an umbrella with black with silver on the inside and a white diffuser cover, you would have it this way and the light would bounce back to me. The other reason I'm not a fan of that is this. This drives me absolutely crazy. I always worry about the safety of this. Now, I've used black with silver, and the only reason I'm not a big fan of it is for my work personally, I feel like the shadows are a bit stronger. Now, I've used black with silver umbrellas all over the world. Sometimes I'm being asked to train somewhere and I can't bring my umbrella and I have to use whatever they give me. I do believe as a photographer, you should be able to shoot anywhere with any tools. Many times I've shot with someone else's camera, someone else's light, in someone else's studio, and I feel that I can still be successful. I say all the time that it is the subject behind the tools, not necessarily the tools itself. Do not worry too much about if you have a black with silver umbrella. Don't feel like you need to throw it away and get a white umbrella. If it's working for you and you love it and you love the look it gives you and the shadows, then keep it. Light is light. You really just need to learn how to use it for your advantage. For me personally, I have soft boxes. I do own several black with silver insides. Right now, at this phase in my life, this is the light ProPhoto that I'm using, and this is the umbrella that I'm using, and I'm pretty satisfied with the results. Again, it is a shoot-through 64-inch umbrella from ProPhoto, along with a ProPhoto light. And the light is a B1. What I love about the B1 is there's no cords, so I don't have to worry about me tripping over cords or children tripping over cords. At the end of the day, I'm a big believer in making sure that you know how to use your equipment, know how to use your camera, learn how to use lighting, and learn how to manipulate it in the best way that you can for your subject. Thank you for watching. My name is Anna Brandt, and please subscribe to our channel as we have a lot more videos coming your way.